Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Please subscribe if you haven't yet already. It's a red button beneath me somewhere, and if you click on that you'll be subscribed to my channel. There's also a white bell next to that, and if you click on that you'll get an alert every time I upload new content. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. That would make me very happy. Today's video is me unboxing my April Ricky's New York Cult Crushes box. There currently is a waitlist for it, and I'll put a link in the description box down below where you can sign up for the waitlist. I think that they're going to be open again maybe in May. It is currently only in the continental US as far as I know, which is a huge bummer because it's an amazing box. It's $11 a month, and it is a themed selection of hand-picked products in cosmetics, skincare, hair care, and fashion delivered straight to their door. You also get 25% off all online purchases and free shipping on purchases over $50 when you shop with Ricky's New York. And Ricky's is this fabulous store. I don't live in New York, but when I used to go to New York as a youth, I used to love it. It's just this amazing beauty store. It feels heavy. I don't know what's in it. It's a bit of a struggle with the tape, but I got it open. Okay. Trying not to look at it. This is what the box looks like, and there's a card that explains what's in it. And I will take out the first item. Oh, and this is Festival Glam. So because it's April, it's festival month. There are festivals in lots of months, but whatever. So the first thing is this. I don't know if this is... So normally you get a bunch of significantly sized products. So they don't really guarantee, I think, 4 or 5, but this is one. So it is written... It is on the card. This does count apparently as one of the samples. Moonlit Skin Midnight Shift Oil Samples. Your new go-to and on-the-go overnight facial oil. This popular product reduces wrinkles, replenishes hydration, and soothes uneven skin tone. Make the shift from tired skin to soft skin and rehydrated radiance. So this, I guess, would be convenient if you were going to a festival and wanted to have travel stuff. It's very small, single use. The next thing is this. I probably won't use these. I have a friend who would like these. These are, looks like snap-on nails. And they say, girl, you be killing them. That's what they'll be saying with one look at your fresh white mani. These nails are flirty and feminine, edgy yet classic, and perfect for any event. Use them more than once to keep the festivals going. Yeah, I do my nails all the time. And these are, I'm not sure how I feel about these. They're long, but someone will like them. And that's the thing with Ricky's, because they're this kind of high-end drugstore, high street, like both. And also a lot of theater, a lot of drag, a lot of club kind of stuff. So you do get a mix. I know that there was a month before, I skipped a month. There was a billing problem one month and they had pasties in one of them. So you never know what you're gonna get, but I definitely have a friend who will like these. So there's that. Next is this, Burt's Bees Micellar Cleansing Towelettes. Make your skincare regimen a cool breeze with these 3-in-1 cleansing towelettes formulated with white cypress oil and honey extract to gently remove makeup and unclog pores while nourishing your skin. So pretty straightforward. I've never used Burt's cleansing towelettes, but these definitely would be good for a festival. I'm not going to a festival right now, but these would be good to take on the road. And the last is this. Oh my gosh. It is the Chi Chi OMFG palette. Take your artistry to the next level with this mix of vibrant colors. They can be worn sheer or dramatic, wet or dry, and are easily blended to create individual looks. So here's the palette outside of the box. And this is an $11. Oh my gosh. There sometimes are things in here that don't, like I'm not gonna use the nails, but this is fabulous. Look at these colors. I can't stand it. Oh my gosh. So yes, this was the Ricky's Cult Crushes for April. I will put, again, a link in the description box down below if you want to join the wait list. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I was really excited to get this. Woo! Calm down. A lot to do in the world, a lot to do on YouTube, and I really appreciate that you took some time to spend with me today. Take care, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.